how to find your information settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your information settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here you will find this one here, your information. And here you can manage activity log, and you can access your information and transfer a copy of your information. And that's how to find your information settings on Facebook Lite, and it's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.